So yesterday we have done up to here the most of the parts. I don't know how many of you are completed the assignments or not, but I want all the submission today, all your bikes. Without bikes you can go out of the class. So there is no chance for you to extend the date for submission. Today your submission need to be there. So take this part 1 box. You should see the size of the box here. Height I'll keep 1.5 1.5. Okay, height 1.5. This much is enough. Width is 2. Depth is around 10 is too much. 1 2, yeah, 2 is fine. Depth 2 is fine. Now with this one we have to modify right now. So we have to see, because if I turn, so pivot points will change. So instead of changing pivot points, what we should do is we should try to hire the connections in the middle. First middle connections we should hire. After that we should hire one more middle connection is here. So 2 connections are there, 1 by 1, 2 connections we have. With that, what I'm going to do is I need this space. Can you see that? So I'll bevel it 0.8 or 0.2. 0.2 is fine for me. I'm not going to do anything right now. So 0.5 0.2 may I'll stop it, and here I need a gap on this area. Before that I'll go to the top view, or right now when I'm working with the model I'll bring it out, so comfortably I can work as well and edit as well. So take this, scale it, the shape is like this. At the same time you can go with a global scale, the shape you can able to find out. And here this one, that is the open area for you guys. It is better, instead of boolean, you can remove this part. You can remove that part. There is a tool for you. What is that? Append polygon tool. So select append polygon and click it from there to here, enter it. Then again Z append polygon for you from here to here, enter it. Once you guys enter it, this area will be the empty for you. Now in order to fulfill that, accept. There is no different, most of the time both are similar only, but what happens is here you can do it individual, but with a bridge you can do it a multiple cuts. Okay, so now here we have done this and got the shape. Down you can able to see one part is here. This is the depth part. So here what I will do is, and again this two, it is there little bit of scale. One, two, face to faces, and extrude it. Extrude it, If you don't want the middle connection, you can remove it, so that straight line will be there. Straight line will be there. And here for me it is showing little bit of black here. So insert edge loop, higher one connection, insert edge loop, higher one connection. So both the sides you have a connection, and down may one connection. So most of the side you don't have any other connections right now, so you gave the connections. Now my job is to hire the connections are here. As I told you, hold, select this line, hold alt, right click, edge loop to edge split, edge loop to edge split, edge loop to edge split. So repeating के लिए what I'm going to do here, I'll press Z, 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 Z. So I want this many connections. I think I need more than this. Again repeating tool, again pressing, I'm pressing Z in the keyboard, Z, not J, this is Z. So one by one, get selected with one by one, and what you guys can do is scale it, global scale, global scale, global scale, and global scale. Keep it here out. Now after this, middle line will be there. Middle line mein select all the middle lines, whatever we have left over last time, select all that line and bevel. Bevel, give some gap is here between one connection to another connections. Clear? So you got the engine parts are here. Sir, might you will ask me the question stating that here there will be a straight lines and there is the bevel kind of things are there in the real model mein. So you guys can select this area and bevel it. Give around 3% or 4%, 0.4, and segments you can increase it into 3, at least 3, so that you will get the round shape. Any doubts? So I feel here little more it should go inside to get look like that. B, done. Clear? Your engine part is done. So bring it here. Keep one is here. Control D. Keep one is here. One is here. So here there will be a one big machine, so we need to have that is as a model. Take this cube, rotate 90°. So here 6 and here 6. So this is not there in the references, but there will be one model here which will average average. Select this line, all edge 4 lines, bevel it, all edge 4 lines, you can bevel it, keep that as a model. Here select this parts, middle parts in the body, and try to keep one, extrude, global scale it here, again extrude and move outside. After this you can give some supporting connections area. Middle part may, if you wanted to remove this part, you can remove. Here straight lines are very important. Once you guys will give us straight lines when you are modeling and creating it, the engine parts may, you should be very careful about it. See the pipes and cylinders here and all that. Take one cylinder, keep around 12 is fine. select the whole area front में. One and two. So we should try to understand the model engine parts and take this two. ಯಾಕೋ in between ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ? So keep two. Guys, in class में you should not talk. So keep it here. 1 and 2. 2. If you want, group it. Control Z, center pivot, Control D, and rotate it. I think somebody is using computer there. If I see that guy, no, I'll send them immediately out. Huh? So keep it here. Bring down. Bring down. Upper arrow. Upper arrow. And keep as well. So an engine part may here what happens is between these two, if I can able to scale this, between these two there will be one model which will join both the friction and engine. So that I have to create it. So that is important model for us. So what I should do is here in that case I should connect between these two. One model is here. So in that case what I should do is, it is always been easy to connect two models. One is here, keep one insert edge and one more insert edge, and what we should do, select this two and duplicate faces. Duplicate faces. Duplicate faces. Listen, आपके पास लैपटॉप है क्या? कंप्यूटर. So keep it here. FT. FT. FT, center pivot, and try to copy and keep it here. This two models are, first you try to do this, what good you can do, then you can go there. Extrude, and try to create this is the model, and one So combine this two, delete by history, face to faces, one is here and one is here, and bridge between these two, combine and bridge between these two parts. Okay, so if all four parts should be there in the same place, so what I should do is bring it here. Keep this 2 and what I should do, combine delete by the history. Huh? Delete by direct history is when you are creating one object, it will create a history where you extruded, when you did a bevel and all that. That history I don't want, because when history will increases, file size will increases. You can edit the object. No, object is with you, right? Same thing you cannot edit. If the bevel I have done, that you cannot edit. Okay, so the model you can edit it, which you have. But if we delete by the history, there won't be anything. Okay, always keep that, because why I am deleting, why I have done this is history is because I want this is one object. If I will not delete, when I will combine it, there will be group. So that is a problem, I will face it. I will come back to that and I will give a solution for it. So now take these faces 1, 2, combine करके delete history करना है. Bridge faces. Bridge faces and connect it here. Select this 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So bridge the faces. So here model may there will be a support for it in all these 4. So now model will not go out. So insert edge loop 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that supporting line is very important. Okay, once the supporting line is done, so take that supporting line and same thing, Control D, copy and bring it here. Minus around 55 degree. So keep this is here, and now you guys can create a chain box, anything that you wanted, you guys can create easily. So this models here from the engines के लिए take one cylinder, keep rotate around 90 degree, rotate one more 90 degree, one, two. Face to faces, half faces you delete it. take this one and take this one. Don't select inner faces. Vertex. Engine part में take this middle part, bevel it, extrude, keep this is in the top area. From here, ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ನೀ ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿರು, ಬಾಗಿಲು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು. So keep it here, just rotate. Take cylinder, try to rotate as much you can. Guys, tomorrow who don't have bike, you don't come for classes. If anything is there, I'll just check it out. Without assignment, I will not allow for classes. And if anybody has any problem that I know only basics, sir, I need to still have to practice, come to me again, I will teach you, but I need assignment. Got it? Sir, we are going for holidays in the sense, no, what I thought is third year also, second semester also I am going to continue Maya, character modeling and GBrush and all that. I think I should continue, because if I give it to another teacher, the assignments will not come, and this we don't know which student doing what. Clear? Face to faces, vertex, extrude. ಮಣಿಕಂಠ, ಏನೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನೀನು? ಹಾಂ, ಸೂಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೇ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಂಗಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಳೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಂ, ಈಗ ಮರನೇ ಉಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಯಾರು ಕಾರು? Keep it here. ಮಣಿಕಂಠ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೋ? ಹಾಂ, ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಮಳೆನೇ ನೆಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಾ? ನೀನೇ ನೆನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ? ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ನೆಂದಿದ್ದ? ನಿನಗೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತತ್ತ ಮಳೆನಾ? You are still young man. Guys, try to create a design here itself. You don't need to go here and there, and try to add connections. Where is Dinesh? Bahubali ki jai ho. Where is he? Manikanta, Dinesh. Huh? ಫೀವರ್ ಅಂತ ಮಣಿಕಂಠನ್ಗೆ ಫೀವರಾ? ಅದೇ ದಿನೇಶ್ಗೆ ಫೀವರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೇನಾ? ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಮಗ ಅವನು. ಪಾರ್ಥಿವ್, ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್? ಏಯ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಲೀ. ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ के लिए fever will come, mada. That I will not believe. Supporting connection, hire here one and here one. So everywhere supporting connections are required. Okay, skip, that is in top. Now I think if too much of engine parts, you guys will get bored. Again, we'll come back tomorrow and work on the engine part. By the time we'll do something else. You want me to stop or continue? नमन बोल रहा है सर, स्टॉप कर दो सर, बस है सर. हाँ, चलो नमन ठीक है, सेव कर देता हूँ. कल असाइनमेंट देख लेते हैं. 6